Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new group with one of your contacts on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option. After that, tap on the name of that person to whom you would like to start a new group with. Click on their profile icon at the top. Scroll down till you find the create a new group with section, so click on it. Now you should select all of those people from your contact to whom you would like to create a new group. After that, you will be able to see that your group has been created in the Skype section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.